Congratulations on your purchase of the image wrapper. You can now make custom hardcovers quickly and easily, one at a time. The finished covers are designed to work with all fastback binding systems, including the economic studio binding system, the robust production work cell, and the beautiful, highly professional PhotoPress binding system. Decide on a book format, order the correct size template and equivalent image back hardcovers with liners through Powis or your local dealer. Place your printed sheet face up on the cutting surface of the image wrapper. Place the correct size of the acrylic template on top of the printed sheet and align the spine along the center line. Using a sharp utility knife, cut around the edges of the template, careful not to cut yourself. Remove excess paper from the edges of the wrap. The printed cover sheet is ready to be attached to the image back hardcover. Place the correct size image back hardcover on the image wrapper. Peel back the inner portion of the release paper on all four sides. Slide the hardcover by the long edge of the release paper up to the green cover stop. Make sure the purple slider guide touches the left edge of the cover. Peel back the left edge of the release paper to expose approximately an inch of the adhesive. Place the printed sheet on top of the cover, aligning the bottom edge to the black guide and the left edge to the purple slider. Press the printed wrap against the exposed adhesive to secure it in place. Peel the entire release paper from the image back hardcover while carefully smoothing the wrap against the cover. Carefully push down on the long edge of the cover to create a crease. Place the cover in between the rollers and rotate the wheel a half turn to feed the folded edge in and out of the rollers. Crimp in the four corners of the remaining flaps. Carefully push down along the edge of the cover to create a crease. Place the cover in between the rollers and rotate the wheel half a turn to feed the folded edge in and out of the rollers. You are now ready to attach the liners to the cover. For your convenience, one edge of the liner is offset. Peel back the shorter side to expose approximately an inch of adhesive. Center and adhere the edge of the liner to the edge of the book. Peel back the release paper and smooth the liner to the inside of the cover.